Hello, in front of me I've got Redmagic 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 3 types of passwords. No password, 4 types of passwords. No password, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with no password. And now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Now, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter 4 to 16 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone, and let's proceed to biometrics. Our first biometric is face recognition. Simply scan your face via front camera. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. It's that quickly. Now let's go back and go to fingerprint. This is our last method of unlocking the phone. Select phone unlock. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. I think there might be a problem with the screen cover because my fingerprints are not read properly. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.